Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 16th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Jeremy Allaire, CEO of Circle, has clarified some recent buzz about using USDC for tap-to-pay transactions on iPhones. Contrary to rumors, Circle isn't partnering with Apple, nor is this related to Apple Pay. The real news is that Apple is opening up its NFC chip to third-party developers, allowing various wallet apps, including those for Web3 and crypto, to facilitate NFC transactions. This means users could soon tap their iPhones to make secure blockchain payments directly to merchants. Allaire sees this as a game-changer, not just for USDC, but potentially for NFTs and other stablecoins as well. He's urging wallet developers and POS companies to update their systems to embrace this new capability. In a surprising turn, Eric Trump has announced a new cryptocurrency venture by the Trump Organization, focusing on digital real estate. He claims this initiative will democratize financial resources, offering loans based on algorithms instead of traditional banking policies. This could revolutionize loan approvals, especially for those facing financial discrimination. However, Bitcoin's price took a hit, dropping 4% to $56,900, possibly reflecting market skepticism about the Trump's crypto ambitions. Eric Trump highlighted that many Americans are unbanked or underbanked, and this platform aims to address that. This move aligns with Donald Trump's pro-crypto stance in his presidential campaign, as he promises to challenge regulatory figures seen as anti-crypto. Next, we turn to Eigen Labs, the team behind the Eigen Layer project, which has faced criticism for sharing employee wallet addresses with projects issuing tokens. This led to substantial airdrop payouts for employees, raising concerns about conflicts of interest. In response, Eigen Labs has banned such payouts, acknowledging the potential for perceived bias. While airdrops are common in the crypto world, critics argue they can create unfair advantages. Eigen Labs insists it only provided addresses upon request, but some projects felt pressured to comply. This situation underscores the need for clearer regulatory standards in token distribution. In other news, crypto exchange OKX has integrated Solana's Blinks into its wallet, becoming the first multi-chain wallet to support this feature on Ethereum-compatible chains. Blinks, developed by the Solana Foundation and Dialect, allow users to execute on-chain transactions via shareable URLs on social media, enabling seamless NFT purchases without leaving the platform. OKX's Chief Innovation Officer, Jason Lau, highlighted that this enhances user experience by enabling more on-chain actions across platforms. This innovation is part of OKX's strategy to boost its wallet capabilities and user engagement. Finally, at the 2024 DePIN Summit, a presentation addressed misconceptions about Bittensor, a decentralized AI network. While many attendees had heard of Bittensor, few understood its operations. The speaker stressed the need for better communication from subnet teams to attract new participants. Currently, information is often hidden in Discord channels, limiting engagement. The upcoming DTO initiative presents an opportunity for subnet teams to shift towards mass marketing strategies. The presentation aimed to increase understanding of Bittensor's ecosystem and achievements, emphasizing that proactive communication is key to its future success. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology both informative and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we covered in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the crypto universe.